I'm Soufiane Kherrazi, author of Organizing Open Social Innovation for Green Challenges, Unlocking the Potential of Open Spaces. In this video, I will answer some questions about my research. So let's get started. The concept of open social innovation comes from a combination of social innovation and open innovation. Social innovation refers to new products, processes, or practices that help address social needs and challenges. However, social innovation is not always open. It doesn't always require openness and cooperation. Open innovation is about using both internal and external knowledge to improve innovation and create market opportunities. But it's not intrinsically social. The social benefits are not the main focus of open innovation, which is more focused on business and strategic goals. So Open Social Innovation, OSI, brings these two concepts together. It means a social innovation with an open approach to engage external networks and stakeholders in the innovation process. One of the main reasons is that we are facing major societal issues that we refer to as green challenges, such as climate change, global pandemics, security issues, sustainable development, and so on. These challenges are highly complex. They have global consequences and require cooperation across different sectors and stakeholders. Tackling these issues needs changes in our social systems and how we work together. So in this context, open social innovation helps drive these changes by promoting new ways and processes of cooperation and problem solving. My research explores this question by looking at the role of open spaces in organizing and supporting OSI efforts. Many scholars recognize the power of open spaces, such as open labs, innovation labs, and digital platforms. These spaces bring many changes in the social system by enabling interaction between different stakeholders, promoting inclusion, and leveraging diverse knowledge from various actors and participants. In my study, I focus on the case of Fab Labs. A Fab Lab is an open space where people come together to prototype and produce anything using digital fabrication technologies. So in this study, I provide a deeper understanding of how Fab Labs enable OSI process through a set of orchestrating and scaling mechanisms such as framing, sourcing, evolving, and spinning off, among others. First, the study contributes to the existing body of academic scholarship by advancing OSI research and offering new insights into how OSI is organized. Then, from a managerial perspective, this study provides practical recommendations for actors and stakeholders concerned with advancing OSI and Fab Labs toward societal challenges. And from a societal perspective, this study highlights the potential of open spaces in driving social change. These open spaces promote social empowerment and democratization of innovation by allowing everyone, regardless of background or ability, to engage and participate in collective efforts and innovation processes. Actually, I wanted to answer the call from management scholars to leverage management research for addressing global challenges. And I strongly believe that management research can play a key role in the framing and resolution of these challenges. So with this work, I hope to inspire more scholars to engage in global efforts to provide new avenues to tackle and solve these common issues.